He that taketh not his cross, ibig sabihin, ayaw mong buhatin yung sarili mong cross, right? And follow after me is not worthy of me. Ano ibig sabihin nito, brothers and sisters? If ayaw nyo maranasan yung paghihirap, right? Yung problema, yung challenges, yung trials and tribulations, para sumunod mismo kay Kristo, ang sinasabi ni Kristo is what? You're not worthy. Hindi mo deserve yung what? Buhay na walang hanggan. Simple as that. Simple as that. So, ang sinasabi ni Christ sa atin is, if you want to enter to the kingdom of heaven, not the literal cross. Yes, tama. Hindi po to siya literal na cross. Kung gusto mo makapasok sa kaharian ng Diyos, right? Be willing na what? Pumunta sa proseso na yon. Yung paghihirap.
Verse 39.
Aha.
He that findeth his life shall lose it.
Aha.
And he that loseth his life for my sake shall find it.
Oh, so sinabi ni Yeshaya ngayon, he that findeth his life shall lose it. So if ikaw yung tipo na tao na, you know what? Yung Biblia, set aside mo na yan. Unahin ko yung pamilya ko, right? Unahin ko muna na magpayaman. Unahin ko muna yung negosyo ko. Unahin ko muna yung trabaho ko, right? Aayusin ko muna yung buhay ko, right? Ano sinabi ni Yeshaya? You will lose it. Mawawala sa iyong buhay.